make the adjustment on your camera where I can look 20 years younger. I want to look younger than you, Ann.
Oh, good luck with that.
We'll see.
Oh. Just because somebody's new on staff doesn't mean that you
I can take advantage of it. He looked at me like he was going to do it, too.
Does he look like a magician?
Yeah.
Oh, we're opening another box, obviously.
New yarn.
New yarn. This is a all new yarn.
I'm not allowed to use the knife anymore either.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You ready?
Ready.
Can you guess what it is?
What do you think?
Yeah, what do you think? Well, we'll tell you what we're calling it, and then maybe you'll know what it is. We're naming this yarn the G.O.A.T.
Goat.
The G.O.A.T. It is our new mohair and merino blend to take the place of the old Chebris, but it's
a lot softer than the old Chebris.
The fabric is a lot softer than the old Chebris, so we're calling it the G.O.A.T. And it will be in 2 weights. We'll have fingering weight and lace weight. So the lace weight will be similar to the Chebris, where it has 750 yards in a skein. And the fingering weight will be like our other fingering yarns, where it has 450 yards in a skein. I've been knitting with it. It is so lovely. After a nice wash, here we have some swatches. Not that one.
Let's do this one.
Yeah. We have some beautiful, let's see. This is the fingering weight, and this is the lace weight. So you can see this has a finer grain fabric. This is a little heavier and denser, but the shine is there, the mohair shine and the fluff. And it's so soft.
It is soft.
It is. So the
I like that.
the lace weight is a little more liquid when you hang it. It drapes really beautifully. These are knit from sample skeins, which the color has some light gray streaks in it against a white background. I really love that. We don't know if we're actually getting any.
Well, you may have to order more.
Yeah, we'll show you the colors in a second, but look at the lace. Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh, that is
in
pretty.
the open work. Yeah. This is the pattern from the Butternut Scarf,
Right.
or the Wussy Pillows,
Wussy.
mitts and hats, or the Almondine
really pretty.
socks. Yeah. I'm going to be using this motif again in a sweater, I think. I just love it. Anyway, we have several shades in both the fingering and the lace weight. Let's get in there and see, Barb. Okay. So we have 3 in this box, right? And the samples.
Yeah.
So we have it in cream. Okay, now the colors. The color names are going to be, they're named after greatest athletes of all time. So the cream is Serena.
Serena.
The gray is Simone. The oatmeal is Wayne. And I'll just leave it to you and Google to figure out the last names of those athletes. And then if we get more colors, we'll be adding more athletes to the lineup. Get it? Lineup.
Lineup. Yeah.
So this is our beautiful new mohair blend. We're super excited about being able to offer mohair again.
Of such a nice quality.
Yeah,
too.
it really is. It took us a good while to find another supplier that we liked. This reindeer, oh my God, it's so soft. It's beautiful.
Not reindeer.
Oh, it is I know, it reminds me of the reindeer color. Wayne.
It's Wayne.
I know, I have to get used to it. All right. Well, go get you some.